land is awake. The land is awake. One rhythm, many paths. From the coastline to the mountains, from the city to the village, a nation is rising. This is Ghana. Morning light finds the streets. The sound of life begins again. Shops open their doors, churches fill the roads, and people step into another day. Mothers prepare for the morning, fathers head out with a dream. Young people chase tomorrow, children carry hopes we've never seen. Nothing forced, nothing staged, just people living, just life unfolding everywhere. This is Ghana, growing strong, moving forward, moving on. This is Ghana, this is home. Look around and see the change, see the buildings touching the sky, see the roads connecting places, see the dreams beginning to rise. Nice, nice buildings, beautiful places, modern designs across our cities, new ideas, new creations, new possibilities. From the busy streets of Accra to the calm of the eastern hills, from the coast of Cape Coast to the beauty of the Votaland, there is something here to see. Ghana is developing, Ghana is moving step by step, day by day. We may not have reached the destination, but look at where we stand today. Yesterday became our foundation, today is building something new, and tomorrow is calling loudly, waiting for me and you. This is Ghana, growing strong, every generation moves us along. This is Ghana, a dream in motion, a rising nation, a land of hope. From the streets of Accra, where the city never sleeps, to the quiet towns and villages where tradition runs deep. From the markets full of colors to the towers in the city, from the busy roads at sunrise to the lights that shine at night, Ghana keeps moving. There are places we've forgotten, there are stories yet untold, there are beautiful destinations waiting for the world to know. Our beaches, our forests, our waterfalls, our mountains, our rivers, our history, our people. So much beauty in one land. This is Ghana. Ashanti, Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Volta, Western, Northern. One land, many paths, many cultures, one rhythm. Upper East, Upper West, Northeast, Savannah, Bono East, Western North, Oti. Different places, different stories, different voices, but when we stand together, we are one. One people, one dream, one future. From Kumasi to Accra, from Tamale to Takoradi, from Ho to Sunyani, from Cape Coast to Bolgatanga, from Wa to Koforidua. The heartbeat continues. Every city has a story, every town has a name, every village holds a memory, every person carries a dream. The farmer waits before the sunrise, the trader opens up the day, the teacher shapes tomorrow, the builder lays another brick, the driver takes us on our way, the artist creates, the musician sings, the young ones dream of bigger things, and every little contribution helps to build the Ghana we see. This is Ghana, built by many hands, built by ordinary people with extraordinary dreams. We are not finished, we are still becoming. There is more to build, more to create, more to discover, more to protect, but we should never forget how far we've come. The roads we've traveled, the bridges we've crossed, the buildings we've raised, the communities we've grown, the dreams we've kept alive. Every generation leaves something behind, so the next can build something greater. And today, we are holding the tools. What will we build? What will we leave behind? What will the next generation see? A Ghana with stronger cities, a Ghana with beautiful roads, a Ghana where creativity we can be proud of, not only for what it is today, but for what it can become tomorrow. This is Ghana, our story is still being written, our journey is still moving, our best days can still be ahead. So let the world see our cities, let the world see our land, let the world see our culture, let the world see our people. Let them see the beauty, let them see the progress, let them see the possibilities. From the golden beaches to the streets of our cities, from the old traditions to the new generation. Ghana is alive, for Ghana is growing, Ghana is dreaming, Ghana is building, Ghana is becoming. This is Ghana, calm and strong, a nation with a story that has carried us this long. This is Ghana, proud and free, a land of many voices with one identity. One land, many cultures, many languages, many dreams, one people, one destiny. We are Ghana, from generation to generation, the story continues. What was built before us, we will protect what needs to be built. We will build what needs to be changed. We will change what needs to be dreamed. We will dream together. This is Ghana, our home, our pride, our story, our future. And when the morning comes, when the sun rises again, the streets will come alive, the people will rise, the builders will build.
Oh yeah, yeah, baby. Only you, only you. When I see your face, I forget my worries. Something about your love makes my heart feel easy. You don't have to say a word, I can feel it in your eyes. When you hold me close, everything just feels right. Baby, I don't need no diamonds, I don't need no gold. As long as I have you, I have everything I know.
And when the night gets colder, come closer to me. Let me hold you, baby, the way it's meant to be.
Ooh, baby, come closer, don't keep me waiting. Your love is taking me higher,
higher and higher.
And if the whole world disappears, I'll still be right here. Cause there's nobody else that I want near me.
Only you, only you.
Now you I want,
Now you I choose. Only you,
every day
I think of you.
Oh baby, come closer,
Come closer to me.
oh baby, come closer.
Stay here with me. Only you, oh na 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 na.
Now you I want,
Now you I choose.
oh na na na.
Oh na 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 na.
Baby, your love is driving me crazy.
Oh na 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 na.
Oh na na na.
Give me your love. Oh na 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 na.
Give me your love, give me your love. You got that something I cannot explain. Even when I'm busy, I call your name. Your smile is my weakness, your touch is my peace. When I'm with you, baby, all my worries cease. I wanna wake up beside you,
I wanna see your face. I wanna spend my whole life in your loving embrace.
if loving you is a crime, then let me do my time.
Cause I'd rather have your love than 1,000 other lives.
Ooh, baby, come closer, don't keep me waiting. Your love is taking me higher,
Higher and higher.
and if the whole world disappears, I'll still be right here. Cause there's nobody else that I want near me.
Only you, only you. Now you I want, now you I choose. Only you, every day hold me.
Everything's alright.
Your love
Is all I need, baby. You and me. That's all I see. Yeah.
Oh na na na, baby move closer, let me lay. Oh na na na, slowly, take it slowly.
Baby, don't stop loving me.
Oh na na na,
Oh, na 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 na.
your love is sweet like honey, baby. Oh na na na,
Now you I want.
now you I choose. Only you. Oh na na na,
Now you I want.
now you I choose. Only you. Only you. Every day I think of you.
Baby,
Come closer to me.
oh baby, come closer.
Stay here with me.
Only you.
Oh na na na,
Now you I want.
now you I choose.
This one is for you, baby. From my heart to yours. Listen. Yeah, my love, I don't know where to start. There are so many things I've been carrying in my heart. I wish you could see yourself the way I see you every day. Maybe then you'd understand why I never walk away. You came into my life when I wasn't looking for love, and somehow you became the blessing I was dreaming of. I don't always say it, but I hope you always know. Every time I think of happiness, your face is what I see. If these words could hold you, I'd send them through the night. If my heart could speak to you, it would tell you every time. Je t'aime mon amour, you mean the world to me. Et quand je pense à toi, my heart feels so complete. Dear my love, this letter is for you. Every word inside my heart is telling you the truth. Dear my love, I will always choose you. Je t'aime, baby, I belong to you. Oh na na, this heart is yours. Oh na na na, forever yours. Dear my love, no matter where we go, I'll carry you inside my heart. Wherever life may flow. Mon amour, mon bébé. Je t'aime, you are the one, you are the one. My heart is chosen. Yeah, my love, I made mistakes before. There were times I hurt you when I should have loved you more. If I could turn back the hands of time, I'd hold you a little longer. I'd listen a little deeper, I'd make our love much stronger. I know love isn't perfect, and we don't have to pretend, but every time we fall apart, I still want us to mend. Because what we have is special, something I don't want to lose. Out of everyone in this world, my heart still chooses you. If these words could hold you, I'd send them through the night. If my heart could speak to you,